Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to crochet this pouch. It is very easy to make. The bag measures 5 inches on the base, but you can make it bigger easily. And also 5 inches tall. If you like what you see, please consider to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. For this project, I'm using acrylic yarn, but you can use any types of yarn of your choice. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. Alright, let's get started. Firstly, I highly recommend it to use a crochet ring if you crochet a lot. If you want to find out more, the link is in the description box. And to begin the pattern, grab hold of the tail and make a major circle. Wrap it around your finger like this. Then insert the hook under the first loop. Pull through the working yarn and twist. Yarn over and pull through the working yarn. And ta-da! To begin round 1, 2 chains. 1, 2, and this does not count as a stitch. Place 12 double crochet into the major circle. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That's 1. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. To close the major circle, hold the tail. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch. Make sure you insert into 2 loops. And I normally like to carry the tail with me. 2 chains. 1, 2, and this does not count as a stitch. Then place 2 double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, then place 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2. Again, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. For this round, place 2 double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, there will be 24 stitches, and I'll meet you on round 3. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch. Two chains. 1, 2. Place 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. And this is the repeat. By the end of the round, there will be 36 stitches, and I'll meet you on round 4. Round 4 is another increase round. Slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains, 1, 2. Place 1 double crochet in these 2 stitches, 1, 2. On this stitch is an increase, so place 2 double crochet in this stitch, 1, 2. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Increase, so place 2 double crochet. Repeat this all around. By the end of the round, there will be 48 stitches, and I meet you on round 5. To begin round 5, slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. In these 3 stitches, place 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Increase on this stitch, so place 2 double crochet. 1, 2. And this is a repeat. 1 double crochet in 3 stitches, then increase on the next stitch. Repeat this all around. By the end of the round, there will be 60 stitches. This is my last increase round. If you want your bag to be bigger, you can continue to make more increase rounds. But I'll stop here. And I meet you on round 6. To begin round 6, slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains, 1, 2. On this round, place a double crochet into every stitch. But on this round, I'm going to insert into the back loop only, which is this loop, this one here, so place a double crochet into the back loop of every stitch. And by the end of the round, there'll still be 60 stitches. And I meet you on round 7. This is the end of round 6. The bag looks like a bowl. And flip it from inside out so that this is on the outside. Slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains. Skip the first stitch and double crochet into the next stitch. Then place a double crochet into the first stitch for the one that we just skipped to form an X stitch. Just like that. Then skip one, double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet into the stitch that we just skipped. Skip one, double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet into the stitch that we just skipped. So we're making X stitches all the way around. And I meet you on round 8. To begin round 8, slip stitch into the first stitch. 1 chain. Then place a single crochet into the same stitch. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, into the next stitch. For this round, place a single crochet into every stitch, and I meet you on round 9. Round 9 is the repeat of round 7. To begin this round, slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains, 1, 2. On round 7, we're making X stitch all the way around. So for this round, skip the first stitch and double crochet into the next stitch. And double crochet into the stitch that we just skipped. Skip 1, double crochet, and double crochet into the one we just skipped. And from here, alternate round 7 and round 8. And you can stop at any number of rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did 5 rounds of X stitch and single crochet stitch. From here, slip stitch into the first stitch. Two chains, 1, 2. Place a double crochet into 2 stitches. 1, 2. 2 chains, 1, 2. Skip 2, 1, 2. Place 1 double crochet in these 2 stitches. 1, 2. 2 chains, skip 1, skip 2. Double crochet in 2 stitches. And this is the repeat. And I meet you on the next round. On the previous round, I did 2 chains. And to join the round, slip stitch into the first stitch. And slip stitch into the next stitch. In this chain space, place a double crochet. Then place a triple crochet. That is yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, triple crochet. Yarn over twice, insert, yarn over, pull through, 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Double crochet. On the next 2 stitches, slip stitch. 1, 2. In the chain space, repeat what we did on the previous chain space. Place a double crochet, 2 triple crochet. One, 2, then a double crochet, and slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, and repeat this all around. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first stitch. Cut yarn and wave in the tail. Now your bag is complete. And lastly is to make a chain and the tassel. The chain and the tassel are not included in this video, but I do have a separate video on them. The links are in the description box. Make a chain that's about 10 to 12 inches long. You can make it longer if you like. Loop the chain through the chain space and attach the tassels at the end. And that's all for today. I hope you liked today's project. Please comment below to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!